Hi everyone, myself Yarini, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science Business System in Ramco Institute of Technology. Today we're going to see about a cryptocurrency and the bitcoins. Okay. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the basic cryptocurrency techniques and how the coins are created in cryptocurrencies. Okay. First, we all have to know what is meant by cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. What's meant by cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is nothing but a digital coins. Cryptocurrency is nothing but a digital coins. That means the encrypted data string that denotes the unit of currency. It's called as cryptocurrency. Okay, cryptocurrency is nothing but a digital or a virtual currency that uses a cryptography for security. Cryptography techniques are used here in forms of security, like by creating keys, private and public keys, in the creation of digital coins. Okay, it is monitored and organized by the peer-to-peer network called a blockchain. This cryptocurrency is monitored by using a blockchain and is also serves as a secure ledger of transactions, for example buying, selling and transferring the crypto coins. Okay, the most you may all know the most different kinds of cryptocurrencies in market capitalizations. Some of them are bitcoin, like bitcoins, ethereum, bitcoin cash and litecoins. These are all some other popular cryptocurrencies you may all know. Okay, cryptocurrency's main function is to allowing users to securely send and receive transactions. Here securely means by using a cryptographic techniques. By using the cryptographic techniques, the security here is achieved. Okay, we can send and receive the transactions securely to the receiver without any intermediaries like banks. There is no intermediaries here. There is no centralized server or any other third party control here. The straight away of user to receiver, the cryptocurrencies are happening to send. Okay, the widely used cryptocurrencies known as bitcoins are created by an animal, or it doesn't know who created this cryptocurrency in particular. Satoshi Nakamoto is an individual or a group of individual. Okay, in the year of 2009. Then this is a diagram to represent what is mean by cryptocurrency. I already said a cryptocurrency is a digital money that created from a code. Code is nothing but it's an encrypted data. Okay, then the cryptocurrency is monitored by a peer-to-peer end-to-end internet protocol. Okay, then it's a string of data which includes of a hash. Hash is nothing but a, what's meant by hash? Hash is nothing but a value, a mathematical puzzle value which are identified by the miners. Then it is encrypted by using a cryptography techniques. Okay, then these are all some of the examples of cryptocurrencies: bitcoins, ethereum, xrp, market cap. Then now we're going to discuss about how to create your own cryptocurrency, step by step procedures to create your own cryptocurrency. Before getting to the creation, we all have to know what's three different kinds of concepts known as mining, stacking and predetermined issuance rules defined by the protocol. Mining, what's meant by mining? Mining is the process which are done by miners. Those processes which are done by miners are known as mining. Mining is nothing but they can use to solve the complex mathematical puzzle. Is none other than the hash value. Okay, miners have to find the hash value through the computational power for using for have to find the transactions, whether the transaction is valid or not. The valid transaction only added to the block, then the blocks are added to the blockchain. So the blocks are added to the blockchain by only by verifying the hash value. Hash value here is mentioned as the complex mathematical puzzles. Then those who finished the mining are successfully rewarded by a bitcoin or any other rewards, bitcoin rewards, that is known as called the mining reward. Then stacking, the concept between mining and stacking is the same, but the terms here in mining, miners validate the transactions, but in staking, validators Okay, here miners validated transactions. In staking, validator validates the transactions. Okay, here the stacking mechanisms is nothing but the same. The validators are stake and validate the transactions. Here the winners will get stackers. Those who finish the complete validation will get a reward. Okay, the same process takes place in mining and also in staking. Then what's my predetermined issues? Predetermined issues is a set of rules. Before you initiate the transactions, these are all the rules you are going to do while doing the transactions. The set of rules are issuance rules that determine how much you are going to supply the then how much the issuance rate, then distribution, how in which way you are going to transfer your digital coins. That's a distribution mechanism. These are all determined already before the transaction is initiated. The set of rules that are defined before the transaction is initiated, that is called as predetermined issuance. Now getting to the topic of a step-by-step procedure to create your own cryptocurrencies. Okay, first we have to analyze research the use cases. Before you're going to start any creation of a new product, you have to analyze the use cases, how the market value for the product is happen now. How if what are the benefits the reacher or the customers can get because of your product. These are all the market analysis you are going to research before getting to the new product. Okay, that is explained in this step. Before you start, you have to know what's a unique selling proposition. Unique selling proposition means how the market rate value that are defined here. Then what problem, if any problem or any error occur in the step of the middle, what you are going to do to solve that problem. Okay, then uh, then you have to do a lot of market analysis, whether your product is fit to the market or not. These are all included in the research the use cases. Then also you have to create a highly targeted market plan. Okay, what are the steps you are going to make a launch your product? Till you launch your product, what are the steps you are going to do? Okay, these are all analyze the use cases. Then step 2 is choose a consensus mechanism. In which mechanism you are going to use to create your own coins. In which mechanisms means there are different kinds of consensus mechanisms are there. Proof of work, proof of stake, and proof of elapsed time. These are all under proof of work. Based on your own consensus mechanisms, you have to decide in which way you are going to create your coins. Okay, then here's one terms are mentioned. Solana's proof of history. Solana's proof of history is nothing but you have to create a record. What are all the things you're going what are all the things you have done before, and what are the failures, and what time, what terms you are used. These are all maintained in a record. The previous history, by analyzing the previous history, you are going to design a new cryptocurrencies. Okay, that is defined in Solana's proof of history. Then you have to select a blockchain platform. In which platform you are going to create your own coins, like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. These are all some options, some other options to create your own cryptocurrencies. Okay, in which terms you are going to decide your platform means in terms of cost, scalability, and security. In terms of these three, you are going to decide your blockchain platform. Okay, then the next one is publish the white paper on your website and social media. This is nothing but a documentation of your product. Okay, you have to create a own documentation for your own reference and also for the future further reference. The informations that are all together in your own manifesto, in your own way. The documentation should be created about the step-by-step creation of crypto coins. Then the post launch results with the tokenomics and the network emissions. How before after the launch of your own products, what are all the issues it can face, that are also documented in this in this phase. Okay, then you have to create your own tokenomic structure. Means tokenomics is nothing but a creation of tokens. Stage of tokens is known as tokenomics. Tokens are defined as in that tokens how much coins you are going to create it, transacted, created, and which time you are going to create it, that who created that, in which way created. These are all included in the tokens. Okay, then the tokenomic structure is also documented here. Okay, then then another step is design the nodes. Nodes, what's meant by nodes? Nodes here, nodes are the building blocks of the blockchain. In that nodes only you can store and verify your transactions. The blockchain transactions are happened between these nodes only. Okay, between the nodes the transactions are happen. The nodes are contains the necessary hardware such as processor, memory, and disk size. In a bar for more computing power, you have to choose your own way of different necessary hardwares for that nodes. Okay, then establish your blockchain's internal architecture. Internal architecture here denotes the cryptographic techniques, cryptographic design to design your digital signature, address, and public and private key formats, and also the permissions that are all going to do in the way of transactions. Okay, then if you set a particular internal architecture, means it cannot be changed or altered while you're upgrading any software in your system. Means the internal architecture should not be changed. Okay, then next step is a creation of your own coin or token. Why here only you are going to create your own coin. Okay, by who create your own coin means a blockchain developer. So you have to hire a good blockchain developer with good ratings. Okay, good ratings means that's those who are capable enough to avoid if any fault occur or any malicious software occur, he have the capability to overcome that error. But those who have the capability is hire as a blockchain developer. He only create your own crypto asset. Okay, then before you are going to hire a blockchain developer, you have to do the online course or a research about the tools or the root. Okay, first before getting to a creation of your coin or before hire a blockchain developer, you have to do a research first. Okay, then design the API and the user interface. API is nothing but application program interface, both front-end and back-end programming languages, then mail and FTP servers, then for your which interface is used to help your blockchain to communicate with its participants, that are all designed in this step. Okay, finally you have to promote your own cryptocurrencies and you build a community for the further communications. Okay, if you finally you create your own cryptocurrency, the final achieving of the creation of new coins is you have to make your product to get into the hands of an own advantage own beneficial users, not a crypto influencers. Okay, so you have to avoid the crypto influencers by promoting your own crypto coins by building a future and a positive community. Okay, for example, if in the US Bitcoin itself failed the Hawaii test. Hawaii test is for testing the some Hawaii test includes a set of rules for testing the Bitcoins, but the Bitcoin itself didn't achieve the Hawaii test. So likewise, before your coins are achieved into the field, you have to check the check about it. Then you have to check about it, and before you have to avoid it by using the crypto influencers. Okay, thank you so much.